Hi, darling. This is site number 45 of Lake Catherine State Park. I'll go back around this way because I'm laying in the hammock and I'm not getting up. There's gorgeous again. There's our kayaks. And that's where we keep our electric bikes. And then that's our screen. That's our neighbor. And that's the lake. You like this park, baby?
I do.
You do?
Very nice.
Very
Got
nice.
everything that we need for the things that we have. Go biking, or hiking, go to the walk to the waterfall, or either we can kayak to the waterfall, go swimming, lay in our hammocks. We got our tent over our little setup to eat in. Got everything. Everything.
Everything we need, huh?
Everything.
Great spot.
It's a very good spot. We're gonna try to get this spot again.